Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 8-in-1 nut milk maker. Now, it says you can make nut milk, you can do milkshakes, you can do juice, you can do all sorts of things. It has a nice stainless steel inside, and you can see the blade on the inside there as well. So that is fantastic. You've got this cover, you've got a little silicone thing around here, and it has a hole. So if you wanted to add things in later on, you can do that. To use it is super simple. So I'm just gonna make a little milkshake with some cookies and some milk. We are just gonna put that in there, and then we will get it grind up and try it out. So we're gonna put this little seal on there, get that lined up, and now it says it is all ready down here. You've got your cover so nothing splashes out, and this just lines up right over the handle there. And now you are ready to go. You do have a little steamer function. If you did want to keep this warm, you can turn this and get it vented just how you wanted it. And then to use it, all you do is just select by hitting menu to the one that you want. So we're gonna do milkshake, and it gives you whatever power level that you want to go up to, all the way up to level 9. We're just gonna hit 2, and then we wait, and off it goes. And as you can barely hear, this is now blending around. I mean, this is so quiet. I am really impressed with how quiet this thing is. And then as you are actually using this, you can actually see it moving around in there right now, grinding it all up and making that perfect little milkshake. If you are using it for the nut milk, you do have a nice little strainer. You've got your nut bags, and you have a little cleaner for whenever you're finished. You can easily clean that up, be able to use this. All has a nice recipe book as well. So once this gets done, we'll pour it out and check it out. All right, so this is now done, and you can actually hear it beeping, telling me that it is finished. So now I am going to take this all apart and check out the milk. So this, I mean, it grind up my Oreos. You don't see any big chunks that are coming out of there. That is nice, how easily that grinded everything up. And then to wash it, all you gotta do is just fill it up with some warm water, run it through a clean cycle, and it is ready to go for next time. This is a great 8-in-1 nut milk maker that you can use in any kitchen for so many different things.